Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you this KMC 16-inch oscillating table fan. Now, as you can see, it's really dirty, but it's had a lot of use. So, of course, this is the front of the fan. There's the side of it, and the back. And on the bottom, here is its information sticker. I can see that it is 100 watts. That's a lot of power for a fan, but probably not. I don't know much about that. So there's its little sticker. And I will try to turn this back over with one hand. And we did somewhat good. And we'll just leave it there. And we'll start with low. Now there's something wrong with the oscillating because it will go more one way than the other way. Like it'll turn a lot farther, but I don't know why it's like that. It's probably going to fall over. And medium. And high. Pushes a lot of air on high. So there you go. KMC 16-inch oscillating table fan. Hope you enjoyed this video, and also please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.